Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use TradingView drawing tools. To begin, locate the vertical toolbar on the left side of your chart. This is where you'll find all the available drawing instruments. Simply click on an icon to select a tool, then click on your chart to start drawing. For example, choose the trend line tool and click 2 points to define your line. You can easily adjust its appearance, such as color and line weight, using the small floating toolbar that appears. Let's explore some essential drawing tools. Trend lines are fundamental for identifying market direction and key support or resistance areas. Just draw a line connecting two or more price points. Fibonacci retracement is another powerful tool, helping you find potential price reversal levels, often at 23.6%, 38.2%, or 61.8%. Horizontal lines are perfect for marking specific price levels that act as strong support or resistance. Customizing your drawings is straightforward. Double-clicking any drawing on your chart will open a comprehensive settings menu. Here, you can fine-tune its appearance, including color, line style, and thickness. You can also adjust its visibility across different time frames or even set exact coordinate points for precise placement. For managing many drawings, the object tree found in the right-hand panel provides a clear list and allows you to hide, lock, or delete items quickly. To enhance your drawing experience, consider these advanced tips. Always save your chart layouts. This ensures all your carefully placed drawings and indicators are preserved for future sessions. Activating magnet mode, found in the drawing toolbar, helps your lines and shapes snap precisely to candlestick highs, lows, or closes, improving accuracy. Don't forget to explore the various drawing tool groups like Gann or Elliott wave tools for more specialized technical analysis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.